Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison of Creatio and LeadSwift. We're looking at the ultimate CRM versus lead generation showdown. CRM powerhouse or lead generation specialist. Today we're breaking down both of them in a few minutes so you can pick the perfect tool for your sales stack. Now, you look at your primary use, Creatio is Creatio or Creatio is best for end-to-end CRM for sales, marketing, and service, while LeadSwift is best for B2B lead generation and outreach. So when you look at AI capabilities, Creatio has advanced AI that is predictive scoring and workflows, while LeadSwift has basic AI for lead filtering. So Creatio is probably the best in this circumstance. When it comes to automation, Creatio has full workflow automation. Marketing, sales, services has it full, while LeadSwift has LinkedIn and email outreach automation. So it's a tie because they have different focus. When it comes to pricing, Creatio starts at $40 per user per month, while LeadSwift starts at $24.99 per month and has unlimited leads. So definitely LeadSwift wins this pricing battle. When it comes to ease of use, Creatio has a steeper learning curve. It is powerful, but it's complex, while LeadSwift has simple, intuitive dashboard. So LeadSwift it is. When it comes to scalability, LeadSwift has enterprise-ready custom workflows with no code, while LeadSwift, when it comes to scalability, Creatio has enterprise-ready custom workflows with no code, while LeadSwift is best for SMBs, that is small and medium businesses, and solopreneurs. So the winner is Creatio. When it comes to integrations, Creatio has 700 plus apps. It integrates about 700 plus apps like Salesforce, Zoom, and the rest like it. While LeadSwift integrates mostly with LinkedIn and emails, so it is limited in integration. Therefore, Creatio wins this round. And the last round is for user reviews. So user reviews for Creatio is 4.6 out of 5 G2, while LeadSwift is 4.9 out of 5 software advice. The winner is LeadSwift. In conclusion, choose Creatio if you need a full CRM suite with marketing, sales, and service automation, and pick LeadSwift for affordable, high-volume lead generation, especially local businesses. Are you Team Creatio or Team LeadSwift? Drop your pick in the comments. Smash that like button if this helps, and subscribe for more SaaS showdowns. Happy selling!